next module, where we will explore the exciting intersection of consumer behavior and marketing strategy. Today's lecture will focus on two fundamental concepts: market segmentation and targeting. Market segmentation is the process of dividing broader consumer markets into smaller, more homogeneous groups based on shared characteristics, needs, or behaviors. It is a way for businesses to better understand their customers and tailor their marketing efforts to specific groups. There are four primary bases for market segmentation. Demographic segmentation. This involves dividing the market based on demographic variables such as age, gender, income, education, occupation, family size, and ethnicity. For example, a clothing retailer might segment its market based on age, offering different styles and sizes for teenagers, young adults, and older adults. Psychographic segmentation. This involves dividing the market based on psychological characteristics such as lifestyle, personality, values, interests, and opinions. For example, a travel agency might segment its market based on lifestyle, offering adventure trips for thrill seekers and relaxing getaways for those seeking tranquility. Behavioral segmentation. This involves dividing the market based on consumer behaviors such as purchase frequency, brand loyalty, usage patterns, and benefits sought. For example, a coffee shop might segment its market based on purchase frequency, offering loyalty programs for regular customers. Geographic segmentation. This involves dividing the market based on geographic location, such as country, region, city, or even neighborhood. For example, a fast food chain might offer different menu items in different regions to cater to local taste and preferences. Once the market has been segmented, businesses need to decide which segment to target. Targeting involves selecting one or more segments to focus their marketing efforts on. The choice of target market depends on various factors such as the size and potential profitability of the segment, the company's resources and capability, and the competitive landscape. Effective market segmentation and targeting are crucial for marketing success. By focusing on specific segments, businesses can develop more relevant products and services. Tailoring offerings to the specific needs and preferences of a target market can increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. Create more effective marketing messages. Crafting messages that resonate with the values, interests, lifestyles of a target market can increase engagement and conversion rate. Optimizing marketing spend. By focusing on the most promising segments, businesses can avoid wasting resources on the inefficient marketing campaign. Gain a competitive advantage. Identifying and serving niche markets can help businesses differentiate themselves from competitors and carve out a unique position in the market. In our next lecture, we'll delve into the concept of product positioning, exploring how businesses create a distinct image and identity of their products in the minds of consumers. I hope this lecture has shed light on the importance of market segmentation and targeting in developing effective marketing strategies. By understanding how to identify and reach their target audience, businesses can unlock new opportunities for growth and profitability.